One of the big gaps that organizations will often have is they don't actually know what's going on inside their ecosystem. It's like that old commercial, it's 9 p.m. Do you know where your kid's at? It's 8 a.m. Does your CIO know how the performance of your application is? One of the tools that we often recommend to be able to diagnose .NET performance problems or Java performance problems is an application performance monitoring tool. There are some that are built into Azure. There are some that are built into GCP. If you're on a multi or hybrid cloud scenario and you have .NET applications or Java applications running on multiple of those, you might actually want to have a third-party service be your application performance monitor, something like a New Relic or a Datadog or a Dynatrace. Those are all very valid. So the first step to really understand if you even need to improve your performance is having one of these application performance monitoring tools, looking at your code, sending out alerts when it sees anomalous activity. And the second step is you want to be able to improve your performance constantly. You want to make it as much a part of the culture as code reviews, as quality UX, as security is. Because every single user that I've ever worked with has always wanted the application to A, be a little bit faster, and then B, not to have to do any clicks. They want things faster. We're humans, we live in this age where information is at our fingertips. So I would recommend, honestly, if you're in Java, if you're in .NET, if you're in Node, if you're crazy enough to run on Node, you really want to make improving performance part of every sprint. So slice off a little bit of time, dig into your application performance monitoring tools, make sure you have your application performance monitoring tools actually configured, and just constantly be thinking, how can I make the experience better for my end user?